Il-linja tal-ajru Ryanair ħabbret sitt rotot ġodda minn Malta li permezz tagħhom sejjara 30 impjieg ġdid fis-settur tal-avjazzjoni f'pajjiżna. Dan ifisser 20 titjira aktar fil-ġimgħa għall-linja tal-ajru Irlandiża. Dan tħabbar mill-kap eżekuttiv ta' Ryanair Michael O'Leary matul konferenza tal-aħbarijiet. L-iskeda tax-xitwa se tara 57 rotta b'kollox, inkluż is-sitta ġodda lejn Glasgow, Gothenburg, Lussemburgu, Norwich, Newcastle u Palma de Mallorca.
Palma de Mallorca is an interesting choice, something we've discussed with the MTA. They have a belief that the hospitality service industry in Palma want to take a break in the winter and not having a break during the summer, and that they may well be attracted to Malta.
Spiega li din is-sena traffiku tal-ajru mill-kumpanija se jilħaq il-5.2 miljun, ċifra deskritta minnu bħala r-rekord u żieda ta' 15% fuq is-sena li għaddiet.
One, we think it's a good place to invest. So we have 9 aircraft based here this winter. That's an increase of 1 aircraft. We're supporting about 4,000 jobs on the island.
Kollox din is-sena Ryanair se tkun qed tinvesti 1,000 miljun euro, inkluż fid-9 ajruplani fil-pajjiż. Spjega li l-kampanja għal Malta se tifoka fuq l-iskeda xitwija.
We think Malta is a great winter sun destination. It's largely still undiscovered because historically people used to come here for the summer on charters but not come here in the winter. And we believe we can grow the business during the winter. That's better for the Maltese economy because it kind of spreads the tourism and the visitors across the year.
Minnaħa tiegħu il-kap eżekuttiv ta' Malta Air David O'Brien qal li l-kumpanija dejja b'ħidma biex tindika sit il fih tkun tista' tibni hangar ieħor f'pajjiżna.